Hello, friends. If you are trying to conceive but facing difficulties, this information is for you. Manifestation and affirmation can play a powerful role in enhancing fertility for both men and women. Science and spirituality show that our thoughts and beliefs directly influence our body and reproductive health. Manifestation means using thoughts, beliefs, and energy to turn desires into reality. When you visualize yourself as a parent and truly believe in it, your mind and body start aligning with that reality. How does it help? Prepares the body. When you repeatedly affirm that your body is ready for conception, it starts responding accordingly. Removes negativity. Instead of thinking, I have fertility issues, shift your mindset to, my body is capable of conceiving naturally. How to manifest fertility? Visualization. Spend 5 minutes daily imagining yourself pregnant or holding your baby. Journaling. Write affirmations like, I am healthy and ready for a baby. Express gratitude. Feel and believe that your wish is already fulfilled. Affirmations are positive statements repeated daily to reprogram your subconscious mind. How do they help? Shifts mindset to positivity, reduces fear and anxiety, balances hormones. Naturally powerful fertility affirmations. My body is strong, fertile, and ready to conceive. I trust my body's natural ability to create life. I am becoming a parent at the perfect time. Manifestation plus affirmation plus healthy lifestyle is equal to faster conception. Practice yoga and meditation to reduce stress. Eat a fertility boosting diet rich in protein, iron, and folic acid. Maintain emotional intimacy with your partner. Conclusion. Manifestation and affirmations create a powerful shift in your energy, making conception easier. Believe in yourself and trust the universe. Miracles do happen. I am ready to welcome my baby, and the universe is making it happen.